Okay, welcome back again, brothers. Now we will begin with something with something is called assembly. The idea of assembly is to design many parts and connect this part together to be like a full project. So, for example, I have a project. This project contain a lot of parts, so I need to do the part individual, and after I finish from the part, I connect the parts together. So the first things is I will present you some the full project, okay, and I will begin with the part. So the first part, what I have, I need to design that by IPS, okay. So I will choose the right plane. Just follow me, guys, okay. Here I will start with this. Uh, I think I need calculator. Yes, here. Yeah, I will give here the smart dimension. 2.875. And I will choose this here. Okay, like that. And let's put the dimension for this. Uh, and no. What I think is that will be more here. So let's return back. I want from this to be here a little bit under, okay, and I will start from there like this. Yeah, yes, I think that is good. Okay, after we design this, let's put the dimension. That's one, guys, of the very advanced in assembly in SolidWorks. Okay, 0.3125. Okay, after that, it's like a small shape like that. Yes, this is about that, yeah. Okay. And let's put this dimension also here. Here, what is the dimension here is about 0.2187. Okay. Yes, it's become like that. Okay. Now we need yes, I think yes, I think that's better. It will be like that. Yes, exactly. What else? Here we have a fillet with 0.10. So yes. Look, guys, if you understand what I will do now, okay. If you understand clear, I can guarantee now you learn about 80% of the technique in SolidWorks, because 80% of the technique of SolidWorks it will show here in this shape, okay, in this project, okay. So just relax and follow me, okay. and I need to do something like that. And it's here. Sorry. Yes, exactly. It's become like that. Let's here a change with 0.1562. Okay, and here we will do a fillet. No, here the fillet, yes, here. Okay, with 0.10. Okay, so now what we need to do? Now we need to draw this here, a line with about 2.5. Okay, let's do it with about 2.5. Okay, and what else? Yeah, we need to put a center line here. Okay, to measure the angle. Okay, and I will put that here. Okay, yes, exactly. Let me look at that. Okay, sorry guys, I will put the center line here. Okay, and I will begin for this. Okay, so now just I want here is what 45 exactly. So now I am in correct angle. Okay, so I think it's there. Yes, exactly. Here it must be about, yes, exactly. It must here is about 0.5. Okay, now I am in good. This 0.25 and that's 2.5, and we can here put this wait, we can put relationship here. Sorry, it is vertical. Okay, it's already, so we can put it is collinear. Yes, that's exactly. Okay, so now we finish from this shape. Okay, and I know guys maybe you will find some difficulty to draw this because it is very difficult. Okay, just relax brother, and everything will come with practice. Okay, I do this shape maybe about 7 times. Because of that I can measure it like very fast like that. Okay, so everything come with practice. Don't be afraid. Okay, everything will be good. Just practice and everything will be good. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to extrude that. Okay, I need to extrude that about 0.125. Okay, so I extrude that 0.25. Okay, and now I will draw also here. So 0.25. Okay, so that's the thickness from extrude boss. Okay, here what I need to do, I need just to draw, sorry, it's not center, uh, I need to do a corner rectangle. Okay, so that's the corner rectangle. So the height for this is about 0.125. Okay, what else? Yes, that's it. And I need extrude boss by by 1 minus 0.25. Yes, exactly 1. So I need to do some calculation. 1 minus 0.125, it will equal 0.875. Okay, so that's the extrude here with 0.875. Okay, so it become like that. Okay, and here what I need to do, here I need to do a fillet to 0.25. So here the fillet, I will go to fillet. Okay, so that's 0.25, and here is 0.25. Okay, sorry, let me change this number to 0.25. Okay, and I will select right. So now I draw this shape. What also what I need to put like a circle here. So if I go to sketch and I go there, okay, and what I need, what I will do, I will do it like that. Okay, from here I will draw a center line. Okay, I will told you I will told you why. Here I will draw a circle. Occasion. Here I will do the circle. That circle is 0.25. Okay, here is 0.25. And what else? Yes, the distance, we can say it's like it's not a clear dimension here, but what I can do, I can do this move. That's and with this circle, I think it will be tangent. Okay, will be what? Will be tangent. And the distance from here to here, the distance for smart dimension. Okay, so you need sometimes to think. Yes, it's good. So sometimes, guys, you need to think outside the box. Okay, to see what will happen with you sometimes. Okay, now what I will do, I will do also like this. Okay, here is also a circle. And you can just click that and control and click that and press equal. Okay, so I think now just I need to put the dimension for the distance from here to here. Yes, it will be about 1.250. Okay. Okay, guys. And here also I will draw a circle. Okay. And I will press that and control to another, and I will put equal. Okay. So now that I will put here the distance. Okay. 1.250. Okay. And I will click right. So what I will do after that, I will put extrude cut. Okay. So that's the extrude cut here, and we already finished from this side. So for another side, for here, I will say here control. Okay. And I will put a 3 circle here. For example, I will put here circle. Okay. And here I will put for example another circle, and here is another circle. Okay. Just random circle. Okay. But must be similar to what you have in the paper. So what I will do, I will put dimension for one. For example, the dimension of this circle, I think it's the same. It's the same, guys, 0.250. Okay. And what else? What else? Yeah. The distance from here to here. Sorry for that. The distance from here to here is 0.375. Okay. And also the distance from here to here, sorry, from here to here, and also the distance from here to here is 0.375. Okay. So what I will do, and the distance also from here to the center of this circle. Okay. The distance here to here is about yes, is about 0.375. Correct, guys? Yes, 0.375. No, it's not correct. There is something. Yeah, that's the information for center, for the center circle. The dimension from here, from the center to this, equal 1.250. Okay. And from this control to this, it will be equal. Okay. And we can put a straight line here. Okay. And we can't just say yes. Yeah, we will put that here. And the dimension from here to here is about 0.125. 0.125. Okay? So it will become like that. Exactly. Okay? And what else? I have a better idea. If I delete that, okay, guys, and I will put what's called center line. And here is mirror. Okay? Sorry, guys. Sorry. I will choose this circle and I will put mirror to another side. Okay? Yes, exactly. Exactly like here. Okay? After that, what I need to do is just extrude cut. Okay, guys? So, guys, that's the first shape, okay, for our project. Okay? That's what's called the first shape. Okay? So, now let's move to another shape. But in the first, what I need to do is what? I need, guys, and the finally, to collect this part. So what I need? Sorry, guys, my desktop in very random way. Okay, so we can say a new. Okay, I can call it a pro, yeah, a pro. That's mean a project. Okay, so what I will do? I will save this shape. Okay, inside the my document pro. Okay, and yes, I will call it part 1. Okay, and I save it. Okay, now let's go to another part. Okay, that's for another part. Yes, right plane here. And here I will do sorry, guys, I forget something. I forget to change that to IPS. Okay, so also I will back to sketch now. Yeah, exactly. Here I will do 0.250 for this shape, and I will do it for extrude cut, and I will choose mid plane. I will told you guys why I choose mid plane. Okay, so the total in the end for assembly. So that's what I have here. Yes, correct. So I finish from that. Okay, and that's I will call it part 2. Okay, so I finish from part 2. Okay, now let's go to part 3. You need to change that first to IPS. Okay, I will choose my plane. My plane is here, right plane, and here is sketch. Okay, so what I will choose? I will choose center rectangular because it will be easy to me. Okay, I need to trim that. Okay, I trim that. I will draw a circle here. So that's the circle here, and I need to put the dimension. Is the dimension here? It's about. It's not from here. Sorry, guys. It's from here to here. Okay. 0.375. Okay. So from here to here also 0.375. 0.750. Okay. So that's what I find here is 0.3125. Okay. So what I need else? I need to extrude cut. Okay. I will choose middle plane. That's the middle plane with 0.250. Okay. So I will make it like that. But let me do something. Yes, I forget this dimension. Yes, I can see 1.375. Okay, so what we need after that? I will extrude both that. Okay, mid plane 0.25 exactly. So click right. Okay, I will call save as here part 3. So I finished from part 3. Now let's go to part 4, what's called the arm. Okay, so let's close that. Okay, now let's go to this part. Okay, so what I can see from this part is it's it's right plane. Yeah, exactly. I need to choose IPS in the first story. Okay, so what I will do, and the first thing what I will do, I will draw a big circle here. Okay, for this shape, and I will give it a diameter with 1. Okay, so I will give it with 1. Okay, and what else? I will do it like this here and here. Yes. Okay, also here I will draw a circle with diameter of with this diameter. It is 0.3125 multiply, I can put equation here, multiply by 2. Okay, yes, exactly. Okay, so I click right. So what I need now, I need to put like this. Okay, from here to here. But I will do another. I will put this from here to here. Okay, I will told UI, and I will draw this from here to here. Yes, yeah, yes, around that. Okay, and I will put another center line. Okay, guys, and I need to do the smart dimension. So there is the smart dimension. Okay, and 4 degree. Okay, so that's what I want. You can't do it by this way. Okay, so what we need to do, you need to do like that, like that. Okay, and the first thing you need to be sure, click to that and control and click to it. Be sure it is tangent. Yes, it is already tangent. Okay, and for this and this is already tangent. Yes, now it is tangent. So what we need else? Let me show this is tangent. Tangent. Yes, okay. Okay, now what I need to do? Now I will do a very basic things is I will do mirror. Okay, it will be easy for me. But here, let me do the fillet first. That's the fillet with 0.25. Okay, so let me do the fillet here. Yes, exactly. So that's the fillet here. Okay, what else I need to do is I need to mirror for mirror. Okay, I need what I need to do is I need to do this and mirror about this. Okay, so and also I need to make this more bigger, or that is fine until now. Okay, that is fine until now. Okay, so what I need to do else? I need to do else is to put a smart dimension from here to here. Okay, with 2.25. Okay, look guys, if you draw before you put smart dimension, if you draw something very near to real project to your real project or to your real shape, you will not have a problem. Okay, you will go like rocket with the drawing. Okay, because you draw something is near to your basic shape. Okay, so what else I need to do? What else I need to do? I think I need to draw something here. Okay, yes, around here. Yeah, yes, around. Yeah, exactly. And what I need else? I need else to what? Let me play with it, or let me do something. Wait. Yes, exactly. Sorry, guys. I need to put here smart dimension. Okay, with 1.375. Okay, now it's clear. I collect right. Okay, so I will draw like this. I will click this and control, and for this collinear. Okay, just to be a straight line. Okay, and what I need else? I need that. Okay, so that's what I need. From here, I will uh, here I will put 0.3125. Okay, and I will draw it here. I don't know what's happened here. Let me check. There's something wrong here, guys. There is something wrong here. Yeah, maybe I didn't do that. And that's also collinear. Okay, so maybe now it will work. That's here for radius. What I think to do? Okay, let me try to move that, because that's a many part. Let me make it one part. Okay, let me make it like that, and we put yeah, it's work now. Okay guys, sometimes you need to try by yourself to know what is coming to you. Okay, so now 0.31. I think the shape almost done, almost done. Let me review it. I need also yes, it is almost done. 1.35. Here is what I need to do also. 0.5. What in? Okay, let me do this. Just the final things is to draw a small circle. Okay, with what? With 0.25. Okay, what is coming? I say 0.25. Yes, exactly now. And here also 0.25. Sorry. So here, and I can draw this. I can do it like that. I will draw here something. Okay, and this control with this equal with this, and no, sorry, that's, well, this and equal. Okay, now what I need to do, just extrude boss. Okay, that's the extrude boss mid plane. Okay, at 0.125. Okay guys, it's perfect. Good. Okay, now we design the arm. Okay, so let's save it as a part 4. Okay, so now what we need to do, now we will deal with part 5. Okay, but I remember something. I see it in YouTube. Is you can do that by a very easy way. I will told you. Okay, let me finish. I will first thing for this, I will draw the biggest circle. Okay, sorry guys, I forget that it's IPS, and here I will change that to edit sketch. Okay, so what I need to do, I will put that 0.2812. Okay, okay, what I will do now, I will do something very weird. Okay guys, but focus with me please, because let me remember, there is a very important technique. 0.750. Okay, and here I think, let me think like this. 0.25. 0.250. Okay, so that's what I will do. Okay, now what I will do, I will do extrude cut, but I will choose a flip side to cut, and I will choose, I think, mid plane. Yes, exactly like that. Yes, I think like that. But with what? With 0.1875. Okay. No, it is don't, it's not look like like that, but let me remember it. It is 0 point flip outside for mid plane for blind. Yes, I think exactly like that. Yeah, it's a blind and 0.1875 and flip side to cut. Yes, exactly like that. Now what I will do, I will choose what's called mirror. I will show you guys, this is very important. here, and I will, let me try it from here. And here mirror. Let me first choose the what I need to do. I think it's here. Yeah, exactly. But let me remember it. That's the mirror here. Mirror. And I need to that way. Okay. No, no. It's not like that. I remember it. Let me try that. So here is the mirror. Here is the mirror. And yes. Here is here is the service. So let me remember it.